Did you know that this little device can mine you Bitcoin? This is the Jade Hardware Wallet by Blockstream. In a previous video, I showed you an unboxing and a setup, all of that. In this video, we are going to now program it to mine Bitcoin. Now, do keep in mind, this is mainly for fun, as the odds for mining a block with a Jade Hardware Wallet is going to be extremely low. And it would be considered more of a lottery miner. But for $150, you could have your own Bitcoin miner for a chance of 3 1/8 Bitcoin, which is currently worth about $300,000. And if you use my code MATTLONG6, you can get 10% off your order of your own Jade Hardware Wallet. Now guys, I do apologize because I have an infection right now. I have a swollen cheek and I am on antibiotics right now, but I wanted to make this video anyways, so let's move on. Now, before you get started, Blockstream does give a warning that mining creates a lot of wear and tear on the Jade Hardware Wallet, and you're going to have to wipe your device before you're able to upgrade it to mine. So make sure you've saved those secret words that we talked about in the previous video, or you send all your Bitcoin to another wallet, or you could even buy another Jade Hardware Wallet by Blockstream if you wanted to keep one dedicated for mining and one for holding your Bitcoin. Now, if for some reason you no longer want it to be upgraded to be able to mine Bitcoin, you can always revert it back to how it used to be, and you can use it as a hardware wallet again. Now, another thing that you need to keep in mind about these Jade Hardware wallets is that they have a pretty small battery and always need to be plugged into your computer and also connected to Wi-Fi, just to make sure that it's always on and running. So let's talk about why this thing is called a lottery miner, and let's talk about the odds. So basically, in order to win the lottery with this device, well, you would have about 1 in 5 quintillion chance to winning with the 8,000 hashes per second that this can provide. So you might win in once in every 960 billion lifetimes, but it is a big payout and fun. So I'm going to give it a try, and I'll let you guys know during my monthly live streams where I share with you how much money I make with all my different DPIN devices if I was lucky enough to actually mine a Bitcoin. Anyways guys, without further ado, let's get started converting this into a miner, and a written guide will be in the description as well to follow along with. But first, I'm going to go ahead and withdraw all my Bitcoin to another device, just because I don't want to lose the Bitcoin that's already on here. And remember, your other option is to save the secret word phrase and use those word phrases into another hardware wallet. So now that I've sent my remaining Bitcoin from my Jade wallet to I went ahead and sent it to Uphold an exchange that I like. Here's a video on how to sign up for that if you're interested, but it is different than a hardware wallet because we explained in a previous video that exchanges handle cryptocurrency different than a hardware wallet. Anyways, let's move on. You're going to need to download some firmware, which will be in the article and the link in the description, and then click update your Jade. Here you're going to need to now plug it into your computer. It is a USB-C type, keep that in mind, and let's plug it in. So now that we plugged it in, you can see it appeared right here. Let's connect. Now unlock your Jade by typing in your unlock code. There we go. Now if you have issues connecting your device, try Google Chrome. So now we need to decide which one to download. One is with Bluetooth, one is with no radio. So you choose the top one if you're going to be communicating with your Jade with a USB or QR code, or choose this version to interact with Jade using Bluetooth, USB, and QR code. I'm going to choose the Bluetooth one but it really doesn't matter. And confirm. So now let's go ahead and confirm, and upgrading in progress. So now it is updated. Be sure to let it fully update before moving on to the next step. It's going to ask for an address. Go ahead and quickly copy and paste your address, your Bitcoin address, where you would want your Bitcoin to be sent in case you did happen to mine a Bitcoin, and hit start. Then it should appear on here. And now it's actually mining. You see we have about 80,000 hash per second. That's like how many guesses and attempts that your device is trying to mine. To put it in perspective, the biggest, newest ASIC miner on the market is this Antminer S21 Plus for 235 terahashes, which let's just say is a lot better than this one. Now, most people are not solo mining like we are. Most people are mining with a whole bunch of other miners out there, but this is pretty fun and you might get lucky and get to keep it all to yourself. Now, before we continued, I did want to do a quick test with you, and that is to see if I close the web browser and if I unplug this, what will happen. So it looks like it's still mining, but I don't think it's connected to the internet, so I don't think it's actually mining. But let me go ahead and plug it back in. There you can see it's plugging and charging up here now. So it says on the article that the Jade will stop mining once it is rebooted, or it receives another message from the companion wallet or device. If you unplug the Jade without turning off, it will continue hashing, but it will no longer be connected to a node, and the block height will no longer update. So to make sure that you are mining every single time, when you boot up your computer, you can always power on and off your Blockstream Jade device as well. But I basically created a sticky note here with my Bitcoin address, copy it, and then you paste it right here and hit start. And then you'll see on here that it is mining. And that's how you know you're mining for sure. Sadly, you can no longer connect it to the Jade app on your phone. I tried, it gave me an error message. Guys, good luck out there with this lottery. Hopefully one of us wins. I'll let you know if I win during one of my monthly live streams, and we'll see you next time. And if you like this video, then you may like the GeoPulse video that I made, another way to earn passive income just by driving your car. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, God bless. Peace. And they said they're trying to, and they said that they're trying